Applying some dry rub.
Okay. So, what are you making?
I'm making Santa Maria tri-tip steak.
Santa Maria what?
Tri-tip steak.
Oh. What are you doing now?
I'm going to place the slab of tri-tip meat in the Ziploc bag, and then after that I'm going to gently sprinkle the dry rub mixture onto the slab of meat in the Ziploc bag.
And what's in the rub?
It's onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, white cane sugar, cumin, paprika, and chili powder. That's it.
And some salt, no?
Oh, silly me. I forgot the salt and I forgot the pepper.
Oh, pepper. Like black pepper or white pepper?
Yeah, black cracked pepper.
Black cracked pepper and what kind of salt?
Some Himalayan salt.
Ooh, Himalayan salt. Fancy salt. Oh my gosh, it's so funny.
I'm a happy camper.
Happy camper dealing with meat in the kitchen.
Make sure it coats the entire slab of meat.
Okay.
You shake it all around. Make sure
Shake it.
the
Take it,
entire
guys.
slab is coated.
Take it. Take it. Just get it covered.
Yes. Cover it as much as you can, or as best as you can.
Okay.
No bare spots.
No bare naked ladies here. That's the name of a band, you know.
I did not know that.
Bare naked ladies. We don't want no naked ladies here. Ooh, there's a naked lady right here.
Yeah, I see it too, but how did I get there? Oh, I'm gonna seal it tight and then give it a shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
And you flip it upside down and side to side.
Up, down, side to side. Come on, defense work. You're happy?
I'm happy to be in the kitchen.
Shake, 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 Samora. Get your party line.
Shake, 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 Lenora.
There we go.
What do you think?
I think it looks fine, you know, but it's you. So this is your project with the meat, you know what I'm saying?
I wish I had some left over.
Yeah.
I think it needs more.
Okay.
Make sure you don't see any residual or vestigial.
What'd you say?
Dry rub.
Distilled water? What kind of vocab was
Make
that?
sure you don't see any vestigial Dry rub.
What's another
It means
term?
remaining.
Oh, okay. Residual.
Vestigial.
Or vestigial. The English lesson for me.
Oh, look, I got the whole thing, man. That's exactly how you want it.
Oh, nice. Both sides like that?
I'm trying to get both sides like that.
Brian, you're doing it, baby. There we go.
See? I don't like that right there, see?
Oh,
Nice.
so that means you're going to put more rub in there?
I'm just using the remainder.
Shake it good. Oh my goodness.
This side's perfect, but it's just this side. It seems like it leaves a little more, right?
I think it's fine. But you know, this is your thing.
Well, this
so.
has to go on the rest. That's why. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think it looks good. But it's you thing, so.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Just a small amount more.
You gonna put some more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you kind of want the meat to kind of look like sandpaper on the outside.
That's one way. Of
It seems like it. I mean.
Okay, that should be enough.
Oh, you're gonna shake? You're gonna shake your hip. Having too much fun in the kitchen.
Fine. That's right. Okay, this baby is ready to go.
I thought I'm the only baby. I'm joking. I try. Okay, so this is going to be marinated for how many hours?
All night.
All night.
Once you're done applying the dry rub mixture onto the meat, you're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator in the non-controlled bin for 24 hours. We'll see you in a little bit. And now it's time to go outside and grill it.
Yeah.
Kind of like threw me off.
Yeah.
Big time.
The lighting behind you is horrible.
Okay, I'm gonna
Hold on.
transfer the tri-tip steak to the plate. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Get a good look at this. Okay.
Hi.
Set my timer on the phone for 30 minutes.
What is that? What is that? Are you picking your nose?
Yes.
Oh boy.
On film.
Oh, I know what. Oh, it's a casino.
It's a slot machine.
Slot machine, saving thing. Better. Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Mira, slot machine, because I'm such a slot machine person.
Es una máquina de los casinos. Una máquina de los casinos.
La máquina casino. Okay, thanks, guys. Yeah.
Right on.
take out the small piece. Wrap it in foil. This is like medium,
Medium?
right? It's medium.
Yeah.
There's hardly any pink. Is that how you like your steak? Medium? Yes. Okay. Not bad for without a what's it called? Meat thermometer.
Yeah, you did it without a meat thermometer. You used your head. Or your hands. Palm technique.
We were so hungry that we forgot to film our first bite, but it was out of this world good. Expand your mind, explore your palate,
And let's
keep
keep
chasing
chasing
the
the
flavor.
flavor. Bye, haters.
Bye, eater.
See you in the next one.
Until next time.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below.